Kevin. Tell us what you made it out of.
Pallets, old 3x2, anything I could pick up for free out of skips, and some cladding, and then I sanded it all down, used brie wax.
The only kind of fake wood is that. What's the top made of?
The top's an old kitchen work surface.
Made of what?
Well, it'll be chipboard, wouldn't it? Chipboard and then a coat on top.
The only unreal wood then would be that. Now, which are the pallets exactly?
The doors, the drawers, all the doors and drawers and shelves.
Yeah, is it safe to open?
Yeah.
What's in there?
There's gas for the cooker.
Which is up the top there.
Top.
Yeah.
Gas on glass.
Then you've got a nice little fridge in here, fitted fridge.
Well, say fitted.
And these are for knife and forks. And what do these do? These don't do anything. These are fake, are they?
That one's a
False
slide-out table.
Oh, let's have a look at that.
It's a slide-out table.
Oh. And this is just a bit of
ply.
But a bit of ply, yeah. Slide-out table.
Make sure Johnny don't climb out the window for us, Andy. Then here I've got a little cupboard. It was for Johnny to sleep, but keeping the door open. And then in the ceiling I've got all fairy lights. Let's see if I don't know if the batteries run out. Yeah, the batteries run out, but I got
You got some fairy lights up there.
On the ceiling.
Okay. And that's a single double or a small double?
It's a small double really, or a large single.
Single piece of foam that you've cut.
Yeah, and then the TV.
Yeah.
Got the aerial up the top.
It's sort of ideal for pirates, isn't it? Really?
That's what I think I am.
It's a pirate. Yeah. How much do you think it cost you? Not obviously in your hours. Your time's free.
I would say you could do it for under £1,000.
Under £1,000.
£1,000. It cost me about £500, but then I already had the cooker, already had the TV, the fridge I got for free. The laminate flooring was already down, but then there was just extras like the electric hookup and the clock. And
if you didn't have the laminate, would you like to have made it out of some sort of wood?
Yeah, I probably would have carpeted it, to be honest.
Carpeted it, yeah, carpeted it, nice and...
Got some offcuts or something. Was it some cheap carpet?
And the big disappointment, what went wrong with it?
I crashed it.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, lummy.
So it was either try and fix it myself, which is way too much work for me.
Yeah.
Or sell it for a lot cheaper.
Yeah, so what do you think they'll use it for? Will they try and get
They're
the
just going to fix it and sell it for a profit.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a mate of mine. So yeah, it's just one of them things really. But I made it for me and Johnny and Danny anyway, so...
Yes.
So, yeah, it's alright.
Oh, that's brilliant. Thanks for letting me see.